I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're making dips to go along with our Granny Smith apples. I love the Granny Smith apples. They are skinless, so they have the skins removed. If we have our Fuji apples, they have the skin on. We're showing the big can today, which is our family size can.
And we also, this is the comparison between them, just in case you don't know.
Pantry can, family, or number 10 can.
All right.
I'm gonna start by making some milk that we need to add to one of our dips. So basically, usually you take 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of milk powder to make 1 cup of milk. And so because I don't have a full cup, I'm adding a little less. So I just take tap water. If you have cold water, it might clump a little. So if you just have tap water, it's fine. And then you shake it up. That's it, there's your milk. That's perfect. You're gonna have that for yours.
Thank you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just add my peanut butter first and start creaming my cream cheese. And to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna add some of the brown sugar because half of it is. All right, and I'm gonna be creaming it. Then I'll be adding the milk.
As you're creaming that and whisking it all creaminess, I'll get started on my dip. Yours is the peanut butter dip, and mine is a cinnamon cream cheese dip. So I just started to cream my cream cheese. I'm going to add some brown sugar to mine as well. I like it sweet. And then I'll add a little vanilla. And some cinnamon. Okay, and I will get this all creamed up. So nice and creamy.
Yeah. Quite a bit of work to mix all this up.
And I'm just going to put mine into the bowl. So here are our 2 dips. One with cinnamon cream cheese and brown sugar, and then one which is the peanut butter cream cheese. Do you want to taste it? These are perfect for dipping. It's like a chip, but healthy chip. So good. That, not so healthy. This, healthy. So you're half healthy.
And they're a little bit tart because of the green apples. I'm gonna flip it the other way.
Good call. Let's try that.
That's great.
So good.
So remember, you can do this too.
You can.